Welcome to Demystified Developers World Tech. Abbreviated DDEVA World Tech.
Are you a school administrator, principal or head teacher? Do you still have a problem with the management of report cards electronically in your school?
We've got a solution for you. Cameroons Educational Service, an Excel incorporated basic school assessment reports card software. Helping private and public institutions to save time, resources and energy on handwritten report cards and gives 10x better results.
The main problem is, with more than 1,000 students in each school, promoting and managing multiple report card profiles handwritten is a major time suck.
The solution. With this amazing Excel incorporated app, administrators, principals, and teachers can easily build over 250 report cards for each class within seconds upon entry of marks. How it works. Using your school computers, each teacher can access his or her electronic master sheet to input students' marks for each class.
You can also gain access to your master's sheet through your smartphone to input students' marks.
We also offer services like web designing, 2D cartoon animations creations and app development.
Together we can conquer the world digitally, and make Cameroon an emergent nation by 2035.
Thanks for watching.